After 30 years of being the official announcer of the Long Beach Grand Prix, Bruce Flanders needed to begin oxygen therapy treatment. Now, join Bruce for a day around the racetrack with his Inogen 1.
I've been on oxygen for over 5 years. When I first came home from the hospital after my first extended stay, they had a R2-D2 machine and tanks. The tanks were for me to be portable. I never felt portable. I felt I was strapped down to the tank that was not very dependable. Inogen 1 has helped improve the quality of my life because of its portability and its dependability. It's lightweight, I can take it anywhere, and it keeps right on ticking. I can now work an 8 to 10 hour day, moving around, talking a lot, all kinds of stuff, and I'm ready to rock and roll with this piece of equipment still at the end of the day. You can go to a family gathering, sit out in the backyard. You don't have to sit next to an electrical outlet. You don't have to keep checking the knob to see whether or not there's enough oxygen to last another half hour. It goes for hours. There are people in my position who get nervous and worried about their image. This puppy lets me get to the supermarket, pop it right there in the baby seat, go up and down the aisles if I'm starting to feel a little lightheaded. I can crank it up if I'm really covering a lot of ground. And it has changed my ability to go to places, stay there for a longer period of time and do things. Even at the high rate that I often need, I still get 5 to 8 hours of oxygen out of it. Inogen 1 has improved the quality of my life because it has allowed me to travel more. It's not only good when I'm traveling on the airplane, but once I get to the facility and got to spend the overnight, it's the same unit. The Inogen 1 has given me back an awful lot of things that I didn't have. It's so light and portable I could actually go bowling now if I want to. I could go play golf if I want to.